Good day everyone. Today I will going to tackle about the 10 ways to improve your management skills. I am Esther Santos and I am from PSBA 2C. The first one is define your vision and broadcast it. In the old management format, subordinates were paid to execute and not to think. We know this structure does not work, especially if you have talented employees. In order to engage your team to deliver the best to their abilities, you need to have a clear vision of your company's reason to be. What is the purpose of your company? What impact do you want to have and on whom? How do you want to change the world? These are the questions you need to answer and broadcast to your team before they can engage. There are 3 tips that make sure your vision is clear and concise. The first one is have a meeting and share your vision. It is very important for leaders to monitor closely the energy level of teams and the organization in order to maintain the balance between innovation, transformation, and relaxation, and of course, the recovery. The second tips is send an email after your meeting. Just like an email, your follow-up message should have a clear objective. Defining the goal helps you frame your email appropriate and achieve the actual result. If you're not sure why are you writing an email, it's better to avoid sending one at all. The last tips is write your vision and post it in places where everyone can see it on a regular basis. The second ways to improve your management skills is get personnel to get engagement. When you find out what your team wants, you can transmit to them the possibilities that will trigger their engagement to your vision. When you connect your vision to the possibilities, your employees' level of engagement will be far more meaningful and powerful. There are 4 tips that your employees will be part of your vision. Organize a brainstorming meeting and also one-on-one meetings. Connect possibilities to their desires. Engage your team by asking for their input and to share their ideas. And the last one is make them feel part of your journey to success. Recognize the power of influence through personal branding. What is personal branding? It is the image or impression in the mind of others about you, your team, or your company. Good personal branding gives you the power of influence. If you are great at what you do and you look the part, people won't doubt you. Look at yourself in the mirror and think about the image or impression you want to project. Is it good? The first tips is set a clear company dress code to ensure consistency across the team. The second one is if you want to project passion and creativity, wear colors such as red, bright blues, and yellow. If you want to project trust and authority, wear black, blue, and gray. The 4th ways to improve your management skills is to maintain great communication. Well, the secret to great communication is to communicate well and often. Well, entails creating a culture in which your employees can share common goals and work with you to meet them. This boosts their engagement, ask your team questions, and invite them to do the same. This allows you to evaluate if they are confused and if you need to review how the information is transmitted. Often, entails having regular meetings or catch-ups. They don't have to be long and tedious. There are 2 tips of maintaining creating communication. First one is use verbal communications to engage your team. The last one is use written communication to reinforce your vision, your goals, and their possibility. Understand the power of gratitude. People often underestimate the power of gratitude. Saying thank you or well done to an employee who has successfully completed a task is a powerful motivator, even better than money. Before you became a manager, how did you feel when your manager told you well done? It made you feel great and wanting to do even better and not disappoint them, right? Publicly acknowledging the contributions of your employees is even better. So don't be afraid to praise how great your team is to the company, prospects, and your clients. This one tip is very important. Make it a habit to say thank you. Make work more fun. When you enjoy working for the company and or the people you work with, you are the most likely to stay. However, it is very important to find the right balance so employees can stay engaged with your vision. If your team enjoy themselves and what they do, they will be more motivated to move mountains with you. One tip to make your work more fun is lighten up, have a laugh at work, and encourage your team to enjoy themselves. We all have to go to work each day, but there's no reason to should not be enjoyable. Learn how to make your top performing employees stay. Every year, thousands of companies lose their most talented employees to their competitors. The cost of recruiting talented employees is high, so how can you make them stay? The first tip is to pay them what they deserve. This is the most common and basic issue you can resolve. Look at the salary offer on the market and what your competitors offer for this job. Be as competitive as possible. Challenge them. Successful employees are successfully because they always like to do more and pushing themselves. If their current tasks become non-challenging, they won't waste their time. So give them new challenges to push their limits. Train them to different areas of the business and find a new challenging task they can tackle. The last tips is communicate a clear company vision. A dysfunctional company vision creates lack of transparency and engagement. Top-performing employees want to feel that they're making a difference in the company as a whole. If they can't see the benefits of their contributions, who won't retain them? Ensure company vision is clear. The 8th part of 10 ways to improve management skills is handle toxic employees. The first tip of handling toxic employees is schedule one-on-one meetings to identify the source of their discontent. This will allow you to find out if the source of their behavior is personal or professional. The second one is schedule one-on-one meetings with the other members of your team to evaluate the situation from a different angle. Ask them open, honest, and direct questions. The third one is use the information you gather to develop the best plan of your action. Arrange a meeting with the employees concerned to set limits on their behavior. If it is a personal matter, provide useful advice to help them resolve their personal issues. If it is a personal matter, evaluate and agree together how this can be resolved. The last tips is follow up regularly until the problem is completely resolved. The last option might be to let them go. Second to the last to improve management skills is admit your mistakes. It can make you a better manager. A true leader always has humility. It brings you closer to the people. By earning the respect of your team, you build your strength and their loyalty to you. Admitting your mistakes also makes you a stronger leader. Why? Like anyone, you make mistakes, but you move forward either by coming up with solutions or asking your team for suggestions. Admitting your mistakes shows strength of character and influences your team members to do the same. One tip to admit your mistakes. Don't cover up mistakes. Simply admit when you are wrong and act on it. The last part of my report is to learn how to make former co-owners. Arrange a group meeting and one-to-one meetings to start reshaping your relationship. Discuss how your role and responsibilities have changed and how it will benefit them too. The second one is empower your team. You won't have all the wisdom or answers for all situations. Let them know you are open to ideas and input. They will be more engaged and committed if you welcome their suggestions and show them gratitude. The last tips is stay yourself. Your role is different, but don't try to be someone you are not. If they like you before your rule change, use it to maintain good relationships with your team, use tense situations, and improve productivity. That's all. Thank you.